Look here at my fantastic clock. Its pendulum is broken. Let's fix it. Tilt the device left and right to swing me further to each side. No need to touch the screen. Move your hands and watch me swing. Fantastic! Excellent! Good job! Did you know that the length of the pendulum affects the rhythm, and it's the main factor that influences the period of the pendulum? Very good! Who loves going to the park and swinging on the swings? Me too! The back and forth motion of the pendulum swing is pretty fun. Maybe we should get back to what we were doing. Ah! Es reicht! That's enough! Genug!